So this will be part 12 of our complete application in ASP.NET C# with SQLite with zero or no coding, or with very little coding maybe, or no coding, depending on if you like to copy and paste. Alright, so we want to add some images to the application. So I have some images I already created I would like to use. So let's start from the first one. First move the two home images, home pics and appointment pics, move them into the wroot assets img directory. So let's go find these images. So I'm going to hospital demo. It should be here, assets and img. So we have a number of images here. So let me first, maybe I'm going to just, okay, so we have this image, that's fine. I think I'll just save it. So let me just say, save as, tools, save as. So you're trying to save as a web page. I think I can right click and say save images. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let me save them in some folder on my desktop. So this is my desktop. I'm going to save them in some folder. So let me just call it image assets. All right. So I'm going to open and I'm going to call it appointment pics. And I'm going to save. So let's save another one. This is home pics. I'm going to also right click and save images. And the name is home pics. All right. And let's just save other ones as well. So we also have patients. So we have 3 images. So I'm just going to open a new tab, and open a new tab. So let's save this one, save images. I'm going to save, let's see. Okay, no problem. Let's just save it as one, the JPEG, and save the other one. Save as, this is going to be 2.jpg. I'm going to tell you why I'm giving them these names later on, and I'm going to save this one as 3.jpg as well. Alright, so I'm going back to IMG. Is there something else we need? For now, I think no. Maybe the user? Yeah, okay, we need this. So let me just save this image as well as user, okay? Alright, so let's just go back. Let me just see. Okay, perfect. Everything is okay. We have all the images downloaded to my local computer. And the instruction says, first move the images into the assets. In this case, a home pics and appointment pics. So I'm going to my desktop and image assets. So I'm going to move these 3 images. I'm going to move them into the img directory, www.root assets img, and I'm going to right click and just paste it right there. Okay. And I also will, okay, let's finish with the home page images first, and then we come back here. On the index page, replicate the row that contains the charts and remove the canvas section so that we'll have the card body sections left. Here we'll place the images. Okay, so let's continue. So we have remove the canvas section. First, replicate the row that contains the chart. So let's go to the index page. These are is the index page or the layout page, the index page. So first I'm going to close everything. So close all tabs and just going down to the views is going to be the index page here. Alright, so there are different rows. This is one row, this is another row. This is the second row. Let's see. I'm gonna just minimize this. Alright. Okay, so you can see the row that contain the cards. Let me check this one. It's not this one. So I'm going to just take this one down. It says replicate the row that contain the cards. I remove the canvas section, so I'm going to replicate this row. I'm just going to copy this and paste here. So I replicated it. Okay, so it says remove the canvas section. So here is the canvas section right here. So I'm going to just drop down so I can just show you. So you can see the canvas section here. So I'm going to just remove it. I'm going to say here, and the same thing goes here as well. So I'm going to say here. So we have the two canvas section removed, and now we are going to add the images there. Remove the canvas section, so we have the card body section left. Okay. Now we are going to replace. We are going to now place the images using this markup. So I'm going to copy this markup from here. And now you see that the card body has to be removed. So I'm going to say replace the card body and also replace the card body here. Alright, so we have home pics and let's see. And we also should have appointment pics. Alright, so at this point we've added the homepage images, and I'm going to just save everything. I'm going to run this application just to see that the homepage images have been added. And then we are going to now talk about the patient thumbnails. Alright, so as you can see right here, the homepage images have been added. Okay, so if you come this far, thumbs up to you, you've done well. I'm going to stop here so I don't go too far. And the next part, we now talk about patient thumbnails. How do we add some thumbnails for the patient list and be able to click these thumbnails to show a pop-up or dialog box. So I remain kind on the genius. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have challenges, please let me know in a comment. So we see you in the next part.